So we continue with our lesson on matrices as we were doing before. So we're told to say, given that the determinant of matrix Q, this matrix which is Q is 15, so I'm going to write matrix Q here. So I'll say Q is equal to 2b minus 1 and 4, negative 3b and negative 5. Then from there, I'm mandated to find the value of B. I need to find the value of B given that the determinant of matrix Q is 15. So what am I going to do? I'll use my same formula. So I'll say A times D minus C times B is equal to determinant. So I'll call this my A, this will be my D, this my C, and that's my D. From there, so I'll say A. Remember, this is my A. My A is everything here. So my A is 2b minus 1. Now here, to help you understand it better, we say that the multiplication is commutative. What do you mean by that? If you say 2 times 3, your answer is 6. And if you say 3 times 2, your answer is still 6. So as long as you are multiplying, it doesn't matter what you start with, the answer will always come out the same. So when you've been given two terms like this as your A, make sure that your D should be the one in front this side. So you put your D this side outside the bracket, then you put other brackets there. Why am I doing so? I'm putting these brackets to indicate that this D I'm multiplying with everything on A. So A has got 2 terms, 2b minus 1. So I need to multiply negative 5 with everything here. I need to multiply negative 5 with 2b and negative 5 with negative 1. So that's why I've placed it in brackets. Then I'll say minus, my C is negative 3b times 4 is equal to my determinant I'm told is 15. Then from there I'm going to say negative 5 times 2b will give me negative 10b. Then negative 5 times negative 1, negative times negative, we are going to say it is a positive. So I'm going to say plus 5 times 1 will give me 5. Alright, so here I'll say minus negative 3 times 4 will give me negative 12b. Alright, is equal to 15. So negative 10b plus 5, okay? So negative times negative again will give me a positive. So I have 12b is equal to 15. So everything that does not have b will cross to the other side of the equation. So I have negative 10b, right, plus 12b is equal to 15 minus 5. I'll bring this equation here. So 15 minus 5 will give me 10. So negative 10b plus 12b is equal to 10. So here, two different signs we subtract. So 12 minus 10 will give me 2. Then the sign of the bigger number is 12, so it will be positive 2b is equal to 10. And if I divide by 2 there, by 2, my b will be equal to 5. So that's how we work out the value of b. Given that, we can also now find the inverse of the matrix. So we'll bring matrix Q there and say 2, wherever there is b, I'll put 5. So 2, 5 there minus 1, then 4, negative 3, 5 there, and negative 5. So this will give me, so I'm going to have 2 times 5 will give me 10, 10 minus 1, and I'll have 4 there, negative 3 times 5 will give me negative 15, and negative 5. Finally, my matrix Q will look like this, so I'll have 9, 4, negative 15, and negative 5 as my matrix Q. From there, I'll say my adjoint will be equal to negative 5, so the 2 will swap, 9 will go there. Then here the signs change, so this one was negative becomes positive, this one was positive becomes negative, like that. So now to say question number 2, the inverse of Q, or Q inverse, will be equal to 1 over the determinant, which is 15, times negative 5, negative 4, 15, and 9, just like that. So that's how we work it out.